Kriti, we start this edition first off with the latest that you're tracking from JNK. Now, note on 4th of May, we witnessed yet another cowardly attack where an Air Force convoy was attacked by terrorists. In fact, this attack claimed life of one Jawan and 4 others were injured. The forces have now intensified search operation in a bid to nab the terrorists. Kriti, in fact, in the latest development, we understand that 16 locals have been detained by the forces in the Pooch region where the anti-terror operation still continues.
Well, absolutely. There have been 16 detentions over the charge of aiding of terrorists. As we speak, choppers are carrying out aerial surveillance to track down Lashkar terrorists. But Samiksha, let's first cut across live to our colleague Gursimran Singh joining us live from Poonch to get a sense of the security situation on the ground and how forces are conducting the operations there.
All right, let's go across to Gursimran, who is joining us live. Gursimran, of course, mega anti-terror operations have been on for the last 3 days. Any breakthrough of sorts till now? And also talk us through the kind of involvement of locals that is also being looked into by the Jawans.
Yeah, good morning, Samiksha. Right now we are in the Surankot where the anti-terror operation is underway and 16 people have been detained. The Indian Army has been put on the highest of the alertness, be it the bulletproof vehicles or the Kalyani M4 anti-mine vehicles. All have been pressed into the action. This has been done to ensure that the terrorists do not escape or do not carry out any other such act that they have carried out the day before yesterday when they attacked the convoy of the Indian Air Force. Important to mention that out of the 16 those who have been detained, there are many of those who have been 2 from the Kai village of the Shindhara. They were actively helping the terrorists. Even after the attack, they provided food to the terrorists and the terrorists were inside their residence. Now you will see the movement of the Indian Army teams that are heading towards the operation site. We are showing you the visuals that are non-operational. No operational details are being diverged by us, but the movement of the Indian Army in this area has been intensified. The snipers too have been deployed so that they keep an around-the-clock eye. Even a couple of minutes ago, we saw the choppers being pressed into the action. All this is being done by the Indian Army to ensure that the perpetrators who have carried out the attack on the Indian Air Force Jawans, the convoy of the Indian Air Force, they do not get an escape. And with these recent attacks on the Indian Army has brought in finest of the vehicles, finest of the machinery with them so that the terror acts can be foiled well within the time. Also is the dog squad of the Indian Army that has also been kept on the standby, and even at places it is being pressed into the action so that the areas that are tactically challenging, that can also be searched. The snipers, the LMGs, all have been deployed on the mount so that the threat that is being posed by the adversary can be foiled well within the time. Now coming to the incident that has taken place when the Indian Air Force was attacked by the Pakistani terrorists of Lashkar-e-Toiba. We have seen that how these terrorists, they carried out an ambush, and during that ambush they not only attacked the Indian Air Force convoy, but they also attempted that they overtake the vehicle that in which the Indian Air Force personals were traveling. 16 people have been detained, including 2 people, those who were actively involved. They provided not only the food but also the shelter to the terrorists. The terrorists came to their place. It is somewhere 3 kilometers from the spot. However, that area has now been cordoned by the security agencies and they are ensuring that the perpetrators do not get a chance. But what has happened over a period of time clearly hints that the terrorists that are active in the area are getting the active support because they are equipped with the M4 carbine rifles, assault rifles of AK, the steel core bullets, which clearly shows that they are highly equipped. Now you will see the convoy of the Jammu and Kashmir police also moving to and fro, and there has been an active movement of the security forces on the ground. This movement of the forces is to ensure that the additional troops are rushed to the spot so that these special operations group, all the troops on ground are carrying out a coordinated operation where the terrorists, those who have entered the region, can be neutralized at an earlier. Samiksha.
Gursimran, stay with us. Just a quick follow-up question. If you can give us more details about these terrorists who were behind this cowardly attack. We understand that these terrorists are believed to be affiliated to the Lashkar offshoot. Anything known so far about how many terrorists were essentially involved in this terror attack?
See, Samiksha, once again you see a convoy of the Jammu and Kashmir police. This is the SSP and additional SP of the Poonch heading towards the operation site. Now coming to your question, the operations teams are also rushing to the spot as the encounter site. Senior army officials are also heading towards the operation site. Now you have asked about the foreign terrorists. Yes, the foreign terrorists are active in the area. There are at least 3 groups that are active in the Rajouri and Poonch. 4 was the number. However, there were some conflicting reports suggesting that there are 3 groups, so we assume that 3 groups are still active in the area. The groups are having 3 to 4 terrorists in each group. However, this is really concerning because this group has been active for more than almost 1.5 years now in this very area. They have carried out multiple terror attacks and then they escape like anything, taking the advantage of the darkness, which the security agencies this time are trying to hunt them down by carrying out the precise operations, the details that they are getting, Samiksha.